By the end of this video, you're gonna learn why I put newer stock wheels on my old Duramax instead of going with aftermarket ones, and also how to do it yourself if you want to. The real answer is that I'm broke. Not these grandpa wheels. These are what we're gonna be putting on it. In order to get these to fit onto here, I'm going to need a wheel adapter. So these are actually pretty nice quality from Shifted Industries. They took a few weeks to get here. They're about $100 a piece, but they're actually really nice quality. Nice hub-centric ring on them. They fit very nicely. Definitely would recommend those instead of eBay specials like I've bought in the past. They go from 8x6.5 to 8x180. Coming on the front, we got an 1.5 inch, and then we got a 2-inch wheel adapter going on the back in order to make them equal. Ooh, the Croc, not the new Crocs. Most of the time with any 1.5 inch spacers or wheel adapters, you're gonna have a problem where the studs that are on the truck stick out too far.
Dude, what are you doing?
Huh?
The battery.
Oh, gotcha. That makes more sense now. Now we're on to the back ones. Kind of are getting stopped on these. What I had to do on the other side, I have to kind of grind down a little bit on the edge of these. Rear ones are on. Telling you guys, these wheels just change up the way the truck looks entirely. I cannot believe it. It's like, I mean, it looks like a new truck. And I'm telling you right now, it rides better with these wheels on it. You want to get in for a test drive, Clayton?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Just rides like a Cadillac. I'm so confused. Who put these stickers on my truck? To be honest, it's not as fast as I expected.
No.
I think it's a piece of shit. I'll tell everybody that right now. And the steering wheel is smaller than my work van steering wheel. I put it to the floor. And that thing was like...
Got up to like 50 miles an hour.
This truck would whoop that thing's ass. Send the Challenger through.
What'd I tell you? That shit's deep. It was up to my knee.
I don't even have to scrub them. Hi everybody, introduce yourself. This is Osbro. I'm gonna tell you real quick, I know you've been asking. I bought them first because, one, they're cheaper, way cheaper than aftermarket wheels. Every aftermarket wheels they want on Facebook Marketplace, they want the same price that they bought them for. You know, hey, you're not listening. They want the same price that they bought them for. So you're gonna spend the same price that they paid for them, and I gotta spend hundreds of dollars getting them clean. They'll be all pitted up, and they're like, I know what I got. So, no thank you. Number two, they look badass. Let's be real here. Not everyone who's starting out can afford to put thousands upon thousands of dollars into wheels on their truck. Next thing's next, he asked me, do they rub? I appreciate you listening, you're very attentive. I put 2 inches in the back, that's what she said. Oh God. 1.5 inch spaces on the front, do they rub? No, they don't rub. Not anymore. He asked me to come out and see what I think about these new wheels he put on his truck. Denali. She must be Italian or something. Ain't gonna lie. I do like them. They look pretty good on his truck. I like them a lot better than I like them big old tires people putting out. They look ridiculous. I'm gonna tell you right now. Back when I had my old KW, shit, it took me about 3 hours to fill up the tire. Damn, dog. Dogs always get behind your feet. You're gonna mess up my shoes. Go on now. Get back out of the house. This truck ain't got near the horsepower my old KW used to have. They don't make them damn diesel trucks like they used to. They used to make them diesel trucks real diesel. Yeah, here, upgrading the truck, wasting all your damn money. Now if you leave well enough alone. How do these wheels do in the mud? They don't do that great. But the other day, I had to get pulled out by a Ford 6L. In order to fix that problem and to protect the wheels, I came up with a better solution. Figured I'd just make the truck into a dually. Now we got 6-wheel drive. No Ford's pulling us out now. Probably can get through just about anything. And also, it protects the wheels. Keep the back wheels protected. The front ones, we'll just keep those clean. Now we officially have a Denali Dually. That's how you say it, Denali?
I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my die. Knock you off a base when the bat, when them slide. Homicide, genocide, genocide, emphasize, perpetuating war to that nigga, he gon'
Damn, son, these dualies, they double as treadmills.
Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an.
So we're gonna see what this new Denali Dually can do.
Tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, they been scheming when the birth of a nation came from black. We all know it's black. Genius, everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience. Hold
on. The one, actually, that one there pushed it a lot farther than I thought.
You got 6 wheels and you still get stuck.
Yeah, I know. He's always running it through the mud. I mean, he's just gonna rick it up.
Joe, how do you think about that fail attempt with a 6-wheel?
Feels good. You can see around this side how much shit got thrown up on it.
Holy. Oh my God.
No Ford's pulling us out now.
I thought you said they would hold. They don't make trucks like they used to, Joel.
They don't make these damn 2-wheel drives like they used to.
Joel.
What?
Your dually didn't work.
Shit, high tide.
How long were you in there for?
I don't know.
You've been missing for 4 days, Joel.
I'm gonna give me some barbecue.
Barbecue.
I just had me an old Ford 7.3 Power Stroke. Now that was a beast. I tell you what, I've been driving down, you punch the gas, and that bit's about to turn you around. I'll tell you that right now.
Sounded like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a nigga answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Tryna get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick. Unless the bitch is my bitch with a kiss on my lips, like, I am not a pimp with a lip. I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like,